What's going on, guys? So the time has come where I have to replace the bulb in my Digibee 400 here. You can just see it's got a little bit of clouding going on in the corner there, and I just had a couple issues with misfiring, so I went ahead and picked up a new bulb. As you can see, I'm holding this with a towel because I don't want to get any fingerprints or any oil or anything on the new bulb. But since the old one's already kind of on its way out, I can just grab that with my hand, no problem. So as you can see here, you've got two holes up the top and one hole down here at the bottom, and that corresponds with the two prongs here and the one prong down here. So all you have to do really is just line up the holes. There is a secondary set of holes in the actual unit itself, so you just have to make sure that those line up. And once we do that, we just, nice and easy, and make sure it's all in nice and snug. And there we go. So we've got the new bulb in there, just compared to the old one where it's got all that clouding in there. This one's gonna be much better. Now I can get back to shooting, so.